welcome everyone. Alright, I'm joining you right here from the kitchen. This is a different video. My name is Hans and I'm your host from HG Shaves. If you do like the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hitting the like button as well. That very much will help out me and the channel. So in this video, it's going to be not a shaving video, but an unboxing video which showcases the upcoming sort of products and my initial thoughts of it. So let's get some packages. Oh, by the way, just having myself a very nice little snack here in the kitchen where no one is looking. Let's get the package, shall we? Hello, just a disclaimer or whatever you might call it before we get to the unboxing bit. I don't know anything about American customs toll regulation system, so I don't know if this product, because it's purchased from Germany, I don't know how it works for you. I don't know how it works in many European countries. Excuse me. So perhaps it is, perhaps it worked for you. So just as long as you know that I will be saying that it makes sense for Europeans to buy there, but that's mainly because I don't know how it works in America. Hope you enjoy the video. Hello and welcome everyone. What are we using? It's right here. From Soul Objects, I don't know if you could tell. Weapons of choice, pair of scissors, some biscuits for the road, and last time you saw me use this, there was beer in it. Now, just water. Cheers. PAA products. But first, the people from Soul Objects, thank you very much for this wonderful package. I mean, look at it. The artwork of this is absolutely phenomenal. I don't know this, but based on the last product, I think they are drawing. Also, here's the top, and mindful of naughtiness is the back. I think they do the drawings on one of their each individual package. Let's open it. Yeah, PAA products in this one, as I did state at the beginning of the year, then I would be focusing on a bit more luxurious products. This is a big one. Let's see. There you go. Now I don't know much because I'm a simple person, but it does seem to me that places like this, which handles in shaving soaps and perfumes and whatnot, some of the paper they put into the package, I think they spray it with some kind of scent, because it does give off a great whiffiness. Also, as you can tell, on the inside of the box, there's also some artwork, very beautiful artwork, and there's a lot of great scent coming out of it. And what I bought. And there is actually a list of the items stating with a message, love. Great packaging, presentation of these products. And just away with the scissors for now. As with the last product, we got a card, which we can use as sort of a gift card, because there's room for writing at the back. And a handwritten message. Now this is in German. I'm not quite sure what it says, but if I got some time to read it, I would be able to, yeah, I would be able to translate it for you. But on the back, there's also a handwritten message. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have some time to read this, and need some help because my German is very, very rusty. So a thank you note, but I'm not able, due to my lack of German, to sort of, translate it for you. So let's get into this. Very nice. The first product that I'll be seeing is this PAA Future Fiction. Formula CK6. Great one. The other one, gotten slightly loose. Diver Down. Great products as far as I've heard. I'll be showcasing what is also left here in the box. Alright, this is interesting. This is a splash. Comes wrapped like this. So we just... I think this video is going to go on a bit. I'm quite sorry about that. And if I somehow get a chance to translate this, I'll put it here as a message. Just to be fair. Great packaging, just as good as the last one. Oh yeah, this is a good one. The Awesome Sauce. Now I have the complete set of this. And I have to try. No. I'll wait. Just wait. And we'll give each product their own merit. Now I did text them as a comment to the order that I was very happy about the products that were on the last shipment that I had, and the way they packaged everything. The presentation was awesome, and was very much looking forward to do another unboxing. Here the matching splash for Future Fiction is. And one more. I told you this was a big one. Excuse me. I have some water. Yeah, and it's sprayed with... Some of the papers are spread with some very nice scented. So... And I was quite sad because I was actually hoping that I would be able to get a PAA brush as well. But unfortunately, the finances didn't quite, get to that. But I just wanted to tell them that I love their way of packaging and presenting the products, and that they had a great selection. And here the Diver Down splashes. I'll get to do... I won't be opening all the splashes, but I will be opening this one and having a sniff at it. And let's see, that should be it. And then there's Soul Water. I think this is their own product. Filled up for about here, I think. Or perhaps it's opened and it's gone out. I don't know. External use only. I think this is some kind of aftershave. Looks nice. So, I don't know if this was supposed to be full, but I don't know if you could tell. No. No way. No way. Alright. Thank you guys at Soul, because look what they gave me. The Amber Aerolite. Thank you. I'm very, very grateful. Beyond words right now. Thanks a lot. Let's open it, shall we? And have a look at it. Comes with its great box. And back here, you know, you could fill in your name. And there's an entire story. It's a synthetic brush. Great amber handle. Look at this. 24mm, although it does present to me as a brush slightly bigger than a 24mm. Nice backbone. So I'll be looking forward to trying this out. I can't say how happy I am. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Please, if you're based in Europe, that would make most sense to you, go check out Soul Object. Look, their logo is like this. They have great products, all kinds of products. So let's get this one a little snifter, shall we? This one is on, and we'll try to see if I can get it off without destroying anything. Yeah, that great Proraso scent. I'll be looking forward. It smells exactly like it. Looking forward to using it, trying to see if it has a bit more heft to it, and if it lasts as long as the other PAA products. But then, because the Proraso green usually kind of dissipates quickly for me. Future Fiction. Let's open this up and give this a whiff. Looks like this. Nice pour. Interesting pour, actually. Alright, very interesting scent as well. Almost kind of rose-ish in color. Very bright, uplifting scent. The diver down. Looks like this. Oh, yeah, there's some spiciness to it, but some sweetness as well. Alright, I'll be looking forward to reviewing each of these products with their own sort of time. I thank you for watching. Again, thank you so much for Soul Objects because of this great package where you package stuff, and also obviously thank you for the brush. That's amazing. Great products, great performance. I'll be looking forward to trying this out. Let's try and open this. Nice scent, kind of rosy, floral, nice. Anyways, thank you for watching. Check out Soul Objects. They've got some nice products. Great way of packaging stuff. Very secure, each of these. No harm would befall them at all. So, thank you for tuning in. Stay safe, everyone. And yeah, some of these products is going to be showcased for tomorrow. Stay safe. Goodbye.